Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Abdullah Subhan. Today we're discussing diet for building muscle. We will discuss the amount of calories and protein you need to eat to build a lean body. We will also talk about how to plan your meals effectively and what supplements to consider. Let's get started. For a lean person to gain weight, you need a positive calorie balance. That means you need to consume more calories than you burn. An easy way to calculate your required calories is to multiply your body weight in kilograms by 40. Since I currently weigh 80 kilograms, this equates to 3200 calories per day for me. However, for a person with higher body fat who's trying to gain muscle and lose fat at the same time, a lower calorie intake is recommended. Their body has enough energy stores to compensate for the lower energy intake. Counting calories can be both difficult and inaccurate. Thankfully, there is a simpler way to plan your meals for both weight gain and weight loss. To do this, simply divide your plate into 3 parts by drawing a clock with the needles at 9, 12 and 4 o'clock. Also, divide your meals into starchy carbohydrates, fibrous carbs and protein. Starchy carbs consist of your bread, rice, french fries and pasta. Fibrous carbs are your fruits, vegetables and salads, while protein is your meat, fish and chicken. For a person who's trying to gain weight, their starchy carbs go between 4 and 9 o'clock, while their fibrous carbohydrates go between 9 and 12 o'clock. While for a person who's trying to lose weight, simply switch the positions of your carbohydrates. Protein is vital for muscle gain. Roughly 1.4 to 1.8 grams per kilogram of body weight is required per day to gain muscle effectively. This means that for me at 80 kilograms of body weight, 110 to 145 grams of protein is required every day. The problem is, we tend to overestimate the amount of protein in our meals. For example, one full chicken breast contains roughly 30 grams of protein, while one egg contains just 6 grams of protein. It is also important not to eat more than 30 grams of protein per meal. Your body does not store protein temporarily, just like it stores carbohydrates as glycogen. This means that any excess protein above 30 grams per meal is simply degraded and used for energy. This can both make you fat and burden your kidneys unnecessarily. So it is best to divide your protein intake into several short meals throughout the day. Supplements can be divided into ones with medically proven benefit that are recommended for everyone who works out, and ones with potential benefit that are considered optional. The supplements that I personally take and recommend for everyone include whey protein and creatine. Whey protein is a highly convenient way to fulfill your daily protein requirements. It is easy to make and it is well absorbed by your body. Since it's a natural substance made from milk, it does not have any side effects if you take it responsibly. Creatine has been highly studied and tested and has been found to increase your strength and stamina. Taking creatine can help you add one or two extra reps to your sets, which then translates directly into muscle gain. It is safe and effective and leads to muscle growth. Optional supplements include your multivitamins and omega-3 fatty acid supplements. Multivitamins are helpful if your diet is lacking in nutrients. They can correct any deficiencies that you might have. However, they are not recommended for routine use and can be an unnecessary expense on your pocket. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to increase muscle recovery. They also have other benefits such as mobilizing fat and reducing inflammation. Again, they are recommended if your diet is deficient in them, but their benefit for muscle gain is not well established. I hope you find this video useful. Please do subscribe for more videos, and thank you for watching.